How to create online courses that make at least $100,000. Going to give you the exact blueprint in this video. Going to show you proof of how I've been able to do this and how you can do it yourself. Going to go over the tools, and there's not many tools, very minimal startup cost to this method, and it's going to be able to work for you regardless of what niche you're in, how old or young you are. There's a couple different ways to do it, so I'm going to explain how to create online courses all in this video. That will make you at least $100,000 every 6 months. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. This is going to be a really fun one, really excited for you guys because today I'm going to be covering how to create online courses, and I'm going to show you the do's, the don'ts, go over everything, talk about some of the tools and softwares you're going to use, and there's very minimal startup costs, so you don't need to be spending tens of thousands of dollars to get this going. And the way that I do it allows me to make money before I've actually even taken my online course to a cold market and even start spending money advertising or spending money on ads. So really lucrative method. Now let's start off with some proof. Right here you can see 100 or 140 or something like that in just a few months time, and this is just for one of my online courses, and this is for just one sales funnel that I'm driving traffic to my online course. Now I didn't stop at 6 figures. I've turned multiple 7 figures selling online courses, so if you want to learn how to create online courses, this video is great for you. I've also spent hundreds of thousands of dollars messing up to figure out what worked, so my goal for this video is to alleviate a lot of that trial and tribulation, a lot of the errors, and help you to get success faster. I'm not gonna say quick, but get success faster and be able to have a sustainable business. If you do this, you should not have any issue making at least $10,000 per month. So hey, if you're brand new to the channel and you wanna learn about entrepreneurship, you wanna learn about social media marketing, and you want to learn how to turn 8 figures. 6 figures keeps you at the bottom. 5 figures and single 7 digits are still mediocrity. I want you guys producing multiple 7, 8 figures and beyond, and you can do it. So if you don't think that right now, gotta elevate the mindset. If you want help with all that, subscribe to the channel for sure right now. Okay, so creating an online course. First of all, let's talk about who is this for, how can it work, what can I teach, all that stuff. Let me go over that, okay? If you have knowledge in any particular area, hands down, you can create an online course. Why? Well, if you look at what's going on out there, people are realizing, hey, I can skip all the generals, I can go straight to the meaty stuff that's actually applicable in life instead of going to college for 4 years, spending $40,000 per year to go to college and learn from a professor that makes $70,000 per year, which is what we can do in 1 week, okay? So people are realizing, hey, why would I go into immense amounts of student loan debt and spend all of that time learning theory instead of paying much less and just skipping straight through to the stuff that actually works? So when you put together an online course, realize you're fast tracking it for the consumer. They don't have to spend 4 years. When you're creating online courses, you're usually putting together video content, some PDFs, some resources, some tools, some guides, maybe some text to go with videos, and you'll create something that's anywhere from a couple hours to a couple dozen hours, okay? So it doesn't take somebody hundreds of hours to go through or dozens of weeks or something like that. It's very actionable. And if, as long as they can come out of your course being able to create some sort of result, then you can create an online course, okay? That result sometimes is monetary, sometimes it's we're teaching, for example, I have a course that teaches you how to start a business with Instagram and how to make money with Instagram. Now I have people that have gone through and gone on to make millions with that course, and I've had others that have made tens of thousands of dollars, others that have made hundreds of thousands of dollars, and of course the people that don't do anything get nothing. But the result that you get is if you follow these steps, you will be able to make money. Now for other people it might be like, hey, I want to lose weight, hey, I want to get abs, hey, I want to learn how to sew, hey, I want to learn how to mix drinks. Maybe you have like an online class where you're teaching how to mix drinks and cocktails and things like that. So you can make an online course about anything. Now in order to create online courses successfully, you need a couple tools. Okay, first of all, you need a sales funnel. This is a sales funnel. This is what a sales funnel looks like. Now there's several different types of sales funnels. Okay, so do not get overwhelmed at the sheer fact that there are literally hundreds of different ways you could make a sales funnel. I'm gonna break this all down for you in this video, and I'm gonna include some bonus training for you to learn what type of sales funnels are the best sales funnels for you, okay? So in order to create a sales funnel, you're gonna wanna use something like ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, you get a 14-day free trial too. After that, it's $97 or $297 a month. Don't worry, you don't need the $297 option. For right now, you can get away with the $97 per month option. And in a second here, I'm gonna tell you how you can get ClickFunnels entirely for free and never have to pay for it at all, period, okay? Next thing you're gonna need, the ClickFunnel, the sales funnel. What happens is, this is your presentation, okay? So when people type in www.whatever your website is.com, they're going to go to a landing page. This landing page is basically gonna say, what is it that you're offering, okay? So for example, how to make money online, $10,000 in the next 30 days, even if you're brand new, even if you've completely failed before, even if you have no tech skills. Once again, how to make money online, $10,000 in the next 30 days, even if you're brand new, even if you failed with everything before, even if you have no tech skills, okay? And then you've got like name, email, they opt in. Then they go to what is called a sales page. This sales page is going to be where, here's your shot. A lot of times it'll be a video explaining, you know, the problem, what everybody's facing, and how you struggled with it, and then you started working on this, and it started working for you, and so now you're giving back, and because this works so well, you're teaching it for a heavily discounted price, and they can get it right now today for this price. And then you've got description, sales copy, that talks about that. Okay, and this is where somebody's gonna look at all this and go, okay, no, it's not for me. Or, you know what, all right, I like this guy, I like this woman, sounds good, sounds reasonable. I'd like to try to figure this out. I'd like to do this, I wanna buy. And then they buy, okay? Then they go to a thank you page where it basically confirms their order. Hey, congratulations, you've made the right decision. You can access your members area in your email, or you can click the button below and you can go on to the training, okay? So that's a sales funnel. In order to create online courses, you're going to have a system that allows you to build sales funnels. ClickFunnels is hands down the best system. Now, once again, a little bit, I'm gonna tell you how you can get that for free. Next part is you need to have a members area, okay? Members area means this is an area where they have like a username and a password. They log in, because obviously when they buy the product, you don't want just anybody being able to go through and access it at any given time. You want to keep that information secure, okay? So you need to have a username, password sort of system. They type that in and then they go and they can see all their training, they can see the modules, the tutorials, whatever. So in order to do that, that is where I connect WordPress to ClickFunnels. And don't worry, this isn't techie, this does not require coding or anything like that. All it literally is when they click this button and confirm, it goes over to this WordPress membership site, all right? The reason that I like to use WordPress for my members areas, and once again, this is to save you a lot of trouble, this is to save you a lot of headache, this is to save you a lot of time. While ClickFunnels is the state of the art and the best system that's going to allow you to make the most sales and have your best chance at success in creating online courses. ClickFunnels is great for funnels. It is not good for members areas. The reason it's not good for members areas is one, the user interface, okay, the experience. You want to create a good experience. If you're going to create online courses, you want to create a good experience for the consumers. You want them to come back. You want them to buy your other products and services. The user interface of ClickFunnels members area is not that great. Secondly, it's glitchy. I kept finding that people would log in, and after a certain amount of login and logouts, it would block them. It wouldn't send password resets to their inbox. It would go to spam. Sometimes it wouldn't go at all. Sometimes it would block them. Sometimes it would block them from creating a new password. It was glitchy. This made for a very irritating support process for me, all right? I'm not the support. It's not my job to support. It's my job to mentor, help people get results, get deals, make content, grow the company. So my support representatives are like doing password resets left and right. So use WordPress. Use a WordPress members area. This is what my members area looks like. It's very clean. All the modules can be listed to the left, and up in the top there's a support area. There's a little quiz people can take once they have gone through everything, and we give them certifications if they pass with 90% or above, okay? Another element I want you guys to understand in selling online courses is you might think that it's going to be really easy. I'm here to tell you that it's only easy if you make it easy, okay? If you just expect that you can use a very archaic, basic sales funnel builder and you're going to put it out there and it's going to sell, I promise you it won't. If you think that you can just get by or use the term good enough, you can't. There's a lot of people creating online courses and there's huge room to grow and huge room to make money because so many people are doing it wrong. You don't want to be part of that population that does it wrong, uses basic, uses bad tools, okay? This needs to be professional. In order to do well in this business, you need to be paid well, and you're not going to get paid well if you don't come across professional. So you want to use a professional sales funnel builder like ClickFunnels. And you want to use something like a WordPress membership area because it's going to allow you to alleviate that password reset issue. It works very well, and you're able to customize a lot of different things and make it look good so you provide a good educational experience for your clients. Hey, if you're loving this video so far, make sure to smash that like button, all right? Please smash the like button. Appreciate you guys' support, and I really love being able to teach you guys on YouTube here. I'm super excited to continue doing that this year for you guys. So smash that like button. In a little bit, I'm gonna tell you how you can get ClickFunnels for free and never have to pay for it, okay? So now we got our members area here, looking good. We've got videos in here. We've got PDFs. We've got text. A lot of times I'll put text into the company's videos. Boom, okay? Now, next thing is you need to have some sort of way to process payments, right? So now you're built out, you're ready to like start taking in traffic, okay? So you've got your sales funnel, you've got your members area, people can go all the way through, they can get everything, it's good. So now you've got your sales funnel, now you've got your members area. The next thing we need to do is make sure we've got some emails set up, okay? We're gonna use an email marketing system. Now there's things like GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp. I use ActiveCampaign, and if you've seen some of my videos before, I use ActiveCampaign for a reason. One, because for a list of emails less than 500 people, I pay like $15 a month. As that list goes up, I will pay more, but again, you're not gonna end up paying for this because once you've gotten 500 email leads and you've got a course out there, you're going to make more in the sales of it than it actually costs for the email marketing system. ActiveCampaign is sort of a state-of-the-art email marketing system. It allows you to have automated sequences. So when they opt in, when they give you their name and email, but they don't buy the product, you can have a sequence that goes out and incentivizes them to buy. When they do buy, you can take them off of that generic list and have a sequence that goes out that incentivizes them to buy your upsells and your downsells, your other products and services. So that's why I use ActiveCampaign. But not only that, it's because of, once again, the templates. I can make the experience of the emails really good. It's not just like a regular text or an email that goes out. I can italicize, bold, I can highlight, I can have left, right aligned, I can have center, I can add buttons, I can add images, I can play videos in there, right? I can have banners, I can change different colors, I can customize colors, I can choose from templates and themes, I can look at the data on which emails are opening the most, I can create sequences where if they click through this, they come off this email, they go over to here, and now I can call these people and close them on the phone. It just gives me, once again, the competitive advantage, so I'm not competing in the marketplace, I'm occupying my industry, I'm dominating, and nobody in my niche is selling courses at the level I am. I want you to be able to do the same thing for your own niche as well. So I use ActiveCampaign. It's a great email marketing system, okay? So now you got your sales funnel, you've got your members area, you got ActiveCampaign for email marketing. Next thing you need is a way to process payments. Here's when people go wrong. They use PayPal, they use Stripe, they use Square. Don't use PayPal, don't use Stripe, don't use Square. Reason you don't want to use PayPal, Stripe, or Square. They are low risk processors. You need a high risk processor. High risk processor means digital. Okay? Low risk processors do not like digital products. They don't like mentorship programs. They don't like coaching. They don't like affiliate marketing. PayPal, Square, Stripe will not support your business. They'll take your money at first. They'll say, hey, congratulations, you can now process payments. And then you'll run money through and they'll say, hey, hold on, we have to verify things for 3 weeks. And then they'll say, hey, we're gonna hold your money for 180 days. Now you're out of business. Can't take payments anymore. Stripe will usually say, hey, we're done with you. They'll just say, hey, we're done with you. I put 10 grand through in 48 hours, I said, hey, we're done, okay? They don't like online business. They don't like digital products. It's considered high risk. Unfortunately, you get classified in the same industry as porn and tobacco and alcohol and drugs and shit like that. And you have to have a high risk processor just like those businesses, porn, tobacco, things like that. I use a high-risk processor. I use a company called Paydiverse. They are out of the United States. They support many different countries. All they require is that you have a website now. Now you have a website because your sales funnel up. They also require you to have a business license. Very simple to get, very easy to get, and I'll make another video explaining business license, S Corp, C Corp, LLC, sole proprietor, all that stuff. And I'll talk about that in another video, no problem. As a matter of fact, if you guys want to learn about business formation. Should I do an LLC, a sole proprietor, an S Corp, a C Corp? Please let me know in the comments if you find value or would find value in me making a video on how to form a business, how to set it up, tax structure wise, protection wise, and knowing which is going to be the best for you going forward. Let me know in the comments if you would like. Just comment business formation in the comments if you'd like to learn more about that. Okay, so now you're ready to go, but there's two more things. What do you price your course out, and how do you get ClickFunnels for free? Okay, how do you pay for all of this stuff so you don't have any overhead? Here's what you do. Do not spend your time going low ticket. What I mean by that is you do not want to continually sell products that are $20, $30, $50, $100, $200. Reason is because it becomes like treading on water, all right? You're not able to get anywhere, you're not able to grow your business because every customer that you get, let's just say you're selling a course for $47. A $47 sale, great, you gotta go get another one and you've only made $100 at this point. You have to get, what's that? 200 people to pay you $50 to make 10 grand in a month. That's a lot harder than finding, 10 people to pay you 1,000 or 20 people to pay you 500 or something like that. It's a lot harder to find hundreds of people to pay you $50 than it is to find a dozen people to pay you $800, $900, $1,000. So I like to go higher ticket. Now I recommend that you start out in the few $100 range and then you go up from there. So you need to come to the table with a lot of value. You need to put as much as you can. Your course needs to pack a lot of punch. So when people opt in, they go, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is what I'm gonna get access to. They're like, they see the value in it, they wanna pay, okay? And so you wanna go higher ticket because every sale you get, it's more money in your pocket, and it also means that you can then take that money and pay more to acquire a customer, which then means, why would you want to do that? Why would you want to pay even more to acquire a customer? Because you can get in front of people a lot faster because you have more money to spend. And the more people you get in front of, the more sales you're gonna get, faster you can grow. That's what makes it so easy, if you do that right, to get to $120,000 a year, to get to $120,000 in 6 months, to get to 100 grand in 1 month, all right? There's hundreds of millions of people out there that are searching online for how to make money, how to lose weight, how to crochet, how to make Beanie Baby. It's like literally weird, okay? There's so many people in your industry that are searching for the information you have, but they don't have anybody to go to that they can pay. They want to pay, they already want to pay, they're already searching for it, they're already saying, give me the deal. But you're not there yet. You're not there to solve their problem in the marketplace. So you need to do that. So Ben, how do you pay for all this stuff? That's why, another reason, go high ticket. $500, that pays for ClickFunnels, $97. Pays for your email marketing system, $15, okay? Pays for WordPress, $20, $30 a month. All right, you're not even at $200 right now. Pays for your website hosting, I don't know, $10 a month. Pays for your domain, $10 a year. You're still not at $200. One sale, your business is profitable. You've got $300 left over to actually start testing ads and seeing if you can acquire clients at a profit with ads. Another video I'm gonna make for you guys on that. I've included a link in the description, which is actually gonna give you access to my training, teaching you how to put together your own online course. So if you wanna learn how to create online courses and you wanna know more of the do's and the don'ts, I've actually included a link in the description. It will enable you to learn more about how to create your own online course and what upsell, what downsell do you wanna have in place? What exact price do you wanna put? Okay, what's gonna make the most sense for your particular niche? So I've included another video in the description that you can get access to. In addition, I've actually already built a sales funnel for you. Sales funnels are a little bit of a learning curve in itself. It's very necessary for you to learn, and it can take a lot of time to put together a really good sales funnel. Now, this particular sales funnel made me $6,000 a day. I launched it, $7,200 the next day. It's made thousands of dollars per day. So it's a $6,000 per day sales funnel. You plug in your product and it's with ClickFunnels. So all you have to do is actually download this sales funnel when you get ClickFunnels, and then you just upload it to your ClickFunnels, and now it's there. And all you'll do is like go, okay, well, I don't want Ben's green color in here. I want red. And I don't want this text, I want this text. The template's already there and it's already built out. So all you do is switch it for what makes sense for your product, and boom, you're ready to go. Okay, so I've actually included, you're gonna be able to get access to that as well for free. The link's in the description. This is gonna bring you to a 30-minute training that I'm gonna go A to Z in how to create an online course. You're actually gonna have the opportunity to get on the phone with my marketing director and myself to help you build out your very own online course. And we're gonna give you access to that 6K per day sales funnel. Hey, I wanna know what the most valuable thing is that you found in this video so far and what you'd like me to make more videos of, because I listen to you guys. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to cater to you guys. What's the most valuable point you found in this video so far, and what do you want me to make more videos on? Comment that down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.